It's finally here, and a lot of car fans are both excited and curious. Ford just unveiling the new version of its popular Bronco. Now, the Bronco in production for 30 years, starting back in 1966. Auto expert Nik Miles joins us now with an exclusive look at the brand new Bronco. Good morning, Nick.
Hey, good morning, Brad. That's right. Last night it was revealed to the world, and Ford have been teasing this for about 3 years. Everyone looking for some good news amongst COVID, and they finally got it last night. 3 different flavors of Bronco, not just one, but 3 new Broncos. There is going to be a 2-door, a 4-door, and a Bronco Sport as well. And as the covers came off last night, everybody's super excited about the new vehicles. In fact, so many people tried to pre-order it that the website crashed last night. And all those people have been on today trying to get their orders in for the new Bronco. So what do we know about this new vehicle? Well, in true Bronco adventure style and a throwback to the 1966 version, you could tell if I took the letters away from the front of the vehicle, it's a Bronco through and through. You can see that. Ford tested it for 10 million miles. The top comes off, the doors come off, they store in the back. You can take this for a complete adventure when you put it out onto the road as well. Just take a look at this vehicle from top to bottom. You can see there is just a sky view. One single person can dismantle all of the doors and the top and get them into the back there to take that adventure as well. I'll tell you, when I look at this vehicle, I see adventure from top to bottom. So let's talk a little bit about not just what's on the outside and how it looks in the 3 different versions, but once you actually get on the inside of the vehicle, you can see it doesn't have just a small screen on the inside. A standard 8-inch, a 12-inch is optional, grab handles which you can move all around the vehicle, attach your GoPro and your cell phone to the top there. There's a special bar with power. Plus, if you get this thing wet and muddy and dirty, there is a drain plug in the floor so you can rinse it out, and those seats are mildew proof as well. So that's the outside and the inside. What about the technology in this vehicle? Well, it's packed with technology. You want to share your off-road trails with all of your friends, then of course you can do that. The off-road trails are shareable. You can see where you're going. At the same time, you can also film with the cameras on the outside of the vehicle, 360 degree outside of the vehicle, and you can see those cameras. You don't need a spotter anymore. There's a 180 degree camera on the front of the vehicle, so you can see all the way around it. And if you want to do a little off-roading, you can navigate around some rocks as well. The sport version here, which I really like an awful lot, will come with 100 accessories at launch. The Bronco 2 and 4-door, 200 accessories at launch. They're very good-looking vehicles, starting just around $29,000 for this and $30,000 for the 2-door as well. In the back here, Brad, of the sport version, you've got floodlights, towel rack, door handles, slide-out shelf that makes a table. Every Bronco is going to be a 4x4. And take a look at this. Every Bronco also, Brad, going to have a bottle opener. Now, this is just soda. Maybe after the show is done today, it'll be beer time.
I tell you what, they thought of everything. They absolutely did, and can handle the roughest trips you have, like going to Costco and things like that. Nick, thanks very much. Neat to see that thing for the absolute first time. Take care.